Wow, what's on my mind? Guess what, people? Instead of writing it on Facebook, I have to just say it because why want to keep me busy since Saturday, you see? From Saturday till now, my whole hostage on my computer. Hostage on my computer. I just have to confirm friend request. Thanks to all my friends, family, folks, and everybody who respond to me two videos. Patwa, resurrection, and survival at the toughest. Thanks for all your nice comments. You know, likes and dislikes, whatever you want to give me, accept it. It's my work, is what me do. But guess what? Coming up this Sunday at 1:30, I will be on Mix 102. I will be interviewed on Mix 102. Go to worldwideweb.com and type in Mix 102. You all can listen. And by the way, when I blow up my phone to you know, me if I charge my phone every second, can't stay charged. Because the email I come on the phone, it come on the computer. What me do? Thanks to you know. Good thing me have can't get water. You see the water, yeah? I hit a keep me, you know. Want to try it too. You know what? It make you look pretty. It make you look good. Make you feel good. Try can't get water. And if you don't want to hear more, just check me out on Facebook. Me always talk about it. Thanks to you all. You all have a good day and walk good.